Hello guys, and welcome back to part 2 of evaluating algebraic expressions. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to evaluate the following expressions. Remember, evaluate means I'm going to replace the value of the variable with a number to give it a value. So look at the first one, x squared, x equals 9. So x squared, x equals 9 is 9 squared, which is equal to 81. Number 2, 20t minus 6, and t is equal to 1/2. So we have 20 times 1/2 minus 6. Half of 20 is 10. Minus 6 leaves us with 4. The next one, 6 times the sum of 3 times v plus 7. And we know that v is equal to 2 in this case. We can give it a value. So 6 times 3 times 2 plus 7. Order of operations, I'm going to have to do what's inside the parentheses first. So that's going to give me 6 plus 7. 6 times 13, I believe, is 78. Let's make sure. 18, 6, 78. So my answer here is 78. We're going to evaluate 2 times the difference of n squared minus 3, where n is equal to 5. So we have 2 times 5 squared minus 3. I hope you didn't think that was a multiplication there. And that's 2 times 25 minus 3, which would be 2 times 22, which is equal to 44. Okay, so evaluate just means substitute the number in for the variable. All right, the next one, go ahead and pause the video and answer these questions and come right back. All right, let's see what you came up with. We have the quantity of n squared minus 3 to the power of 3, n equals 3. So I'm going to substitute, and that gives me 3 squared minus 3 to the power of 3. 3 squared is 9. Minus 3 to the power of 3. 9 minus 3 is 6 to the power of 3. I forgot what that is. That's 6 times 6 is 36. That's 1 time. I'm sorry, 2 times. Times 6, 36, 18, 21. So 216 is our answer. Okay. I believe I told you a while ago this is division. We're not going to represent division with the normal division sign anymore. So this is 4 times z minus 23, and I take that whole thing divided by 8, and we have z equals 41. So we're going to rewrite this by substituting first. 41 minus 23 divided by 8. And actually, I could have simplified that before I went ahead, and that would give me 1, and that would give me 2. And that leaves me basically with 41 minus 23 divided by 2. Now you guys see why I always type and not write, because my handwriting's pretty bad. So that gives me 41, come on up here, minus 23, I believe it's 18, divided by 2. So my final answer is 9. Okay, t minus 3, where are we? About 5 minutes. Okay, we'll wrap this up. Then we take this whole thing and square it. So we're going to take 14 minus 3. Then we're going to square it. 14 minus 3 is 11. We square that, and we get 121. All right, the next one looks complicated, but it's not. It's 5 times the number z plus 4 times the number y divided by 2. So I have to do all this first, and when I get done, I'm going to divide it. So we said z is 4, so 5 times 4. We said y is 7 plus 4 times 7. And then when we get done with that, we're going to divide by 2. I'm going to go this direction. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 4 times 7 is 28. And that gives us 48 divided by 2, which again I believe is 24 is our answer. All right, I think we're at 5 minutes there. So go ahead and work on this one. Oops. And come back and let me know what your answer is. Talk to you soon.